Welcome to the Dean Campustown, Champaign, your gateway to a cozy student life. Take your pick from spacious studios, charming 2- and 4-bedroom apartments, and stylish non-en suites featuring sleek wood-style floors for a modern touch. Catch your favorite shows on the huge smart TV. Cook like a pro in the chic kitchen with designer cabinetry and quartz and marble countertops. Breeze through laundry with the in-unit washer and dryer. With ground floor retail, this place has all your needs covered. Head to the rooftop deck and dip in the heated pool and hot tub. Power through in the fitness center, then sweat it out in the sauna. Step into the meeting and study rooms for focused study sessions, and catch a break at the clubroom lounge. Your safety comes first with controlled access, a secure key fob system, and individually keyed bedrooms. Located at South 6th Street, the University of Illinois Urbana is minutes away on foot, while Parkland College is just a short drive away. With Green and 6th, northeast corner, bus stop roaming around the city will be easy. So, step into comfort at Dean Campustown, Champaign today with amberstudent.com.